Hello everyone, I am Commander Harish Verma. I'm basically an engineer from Roorkee. After that I have been serving in the Navy for about 24 years, then briefly in a company called Gulf Computers, and now Nelito Systems for last about 11 years. During this about 35 years of exposure, I have been involved with the quality functions for almost about 12-13 years. In the company itself where I'm serving, we initiated ISO 9001 almost about 7-8 years back. After that, since it's a software company, we realized that we need to also have CMI appraisal done, and therefore we modified our QMS, which was already there for the ISO 9001. We have been implementing this, and we have already been appraised at level 3. See, now what has happened is business requirements itself have changed, because earlier we were dealing with mainly with the banking industry, but now and our own products. Now we are shifting over to not only our own products but also bespoke projects in any verticals. Therefore, what is more important now is you see, your effort variance, your schedule variance, those things have to remain in control. It was precisely for this reason that we started thinking of why not also initiate some techniques in the company which are mainly learned through the Six Sigma processes. We don't intend doing Six Sigma projects per se, but certainly whatever requirements are there, we may follow not as a full thing, but a lot of problem solving can be done through this. Also, level 5 company, CMI level 5, also requires that your processes must be managed statistically. And it is there where we are going to use a lot of techniques which I have learned through this Six Sigma program. Six Sigma program I had done green belt about a year back, and then we trained, realizing that this was a very good program and very relevant to us. We trained almost about 7-8 people from the company at the green belt level. Now at the moment I'm undergoing this black belt program. Me and one of my colleague is also there. What we have realized is Six Sigma program is a very, very intensive and very comprehensive program, and there are a lot of techniques which are being taught which we have never known, and these techniques can very well be used in any organizational context. In our own context, I feel that you see, some of the techniques which we were not using is MSA. FMEA is another area which I feel is very important, because our customers are bankers, cooperative banks who are not very technical, very tech savvy, and therefore you see, there are a lot of issues which come up because of the misuse or mishandling of the software itself. Other areas which I feel is QFD is another technique which we can very well use in the company. I have also realized this. You see, this program, though it is a very intensive in mathematical and statistical treatment, but our faculty has been very, very good, who has made very difficult topics also very, very easy. And I think we all have enjoyed this 6 days of this program, and I wish many more people we will be able to send for this program. Thank you very much.